Most people think starting a business in America means big money, complex systems, or quitting their job. That's not true. Right now, everyday Americans are building small businesses around real problems, local demand, and simple technology. Not Silicon Valley startups, not risky trends, just smart, practical ideas that work in real life. In this video, you will get 15 small business ideas you can start in the USA. Number 1. Mobile car detailing service. Start by offering on-site car cleaning at homes and offices using basic equipment, eco-friendly products, online booking, and local Google Maps visibility. Number 2. Short-term rental cleaning business. Partner with Airbnb hosts and property managers, create a reliable cleaning schedule, charge per turnover, and scale by hiring trained local cleaners. Number 3. Senior home assistance services. Help seniors with errands, light housework, appointments, and companionship by registering locally and working with families and care networks. Number 4. Smart home installation service. Install smart doorbells, cameras, thermostats, and security systems for homeowners who want convenience but don't want to handle setup. Number 5. Pet waste removal business. Offer weekly backyard cleanup services for dog owners, charge monthly subscriptions, and market through local neighborhoods and pet communities. Number 6. Meal prep for fitness and medical diets. Prepare customized meals for busy professionals, diabetics, or fitness clients, following local health rules and offering weekly delivery plans. Number 7. Local courier and same-day delivery. Deliver documents, medical supplies, or local store orders using a vehicle or bike by partnering with small businesses needing fast delivery. Number 8. Home organization and decluttering service. Help families organize garages, closets, and storage spaces, focusing on stress reduction, space optimization, and simple lifestyle systems. Number 9. Pressure washing business. Clean driveways, sidewalks, roofs, and patios for homeowners using professional equipment and neighborhood-based seasonal promotions. Number 10. Lawn care and yard maintenance. Offer mowing, edging, leaf cleanup, and seasonal maintenance in suburban areas with recurring contracts and simple service packages. Number 11. Mobile phone repair service. Repair cracked screens and battery issues at customer locations by sourcing parts, offering fast service, and building trust through reviews. Number 12. Event setup and breakdown service. Support weddings, parties, and corporate events by handling chairs, tables, decorations, and cleanup before and after events. Number 13. Local tour and experience guide. Create curated local experiences for tourists, such as food walks, nature tours, or cultural storytelling using online booking platforms. Number 14. Storage unit, resale, and organization. Buy abandoned storage units legally, resell valuable items locally, and organize resale through marketplaces and weekend sales. Number 15. Eco-friendly cleaning service. Use non-toxic products to clean homes and offices, targeting families, pet owners, and health-conscious customers. If you found this video helpful, then like, share, and subscribe this channel to get future videos. Thank you for watching this video.